Hey guys, welcome to another quick tech. If you've ever buffed out cutaways, you know just how fiddly it is. You normally get in there with a rag and some cutting compound and just do it by hand. It takes ages. But a little while ago, I had an idea to make these two things. I call them lollipops, but of course they're not. They're actually mini foam rollers, mini paint rollers made of high density foam. And I've just epoxied a length of 1/4 inch aluminium in the end. You need to scratch up about 1.5 inches, about 40 mil of the aluminium so it glues in there properly. And I just use 5-minute epoxy and they work really well. They're very effective. To use them, you just hang the horns over the edge of the bench. You want to lay your guitar on a piece of non-slip matting and then weigh it down with a bag of lead shot and put them in your drill and go for it. You can of course rinse them out and wash them and reuse them. But I would recommend marking the cutting compound or the polish that you use for each of them. I hope that's a tool you find useful. Give it a go. I think they're really great. I use them whenever I do cutaways these days. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe and I'll see you next time.